So hello everyone. So today we are going to solve the problem 3379, which is transformed array. This is an easy problem, and read let's read the description. You are given an integer array nums that represents a circular array. Your task is to create a new array result of the same size following these rules. Okay, for each index I, perform the following independent actions. Okay, if nums, we need to check if nums of I is bigger than 0, then start at index I and move nums of I steps to the right in the circular array. Set results of I to the value of the index where you land. Okay, and if nums of I lower than 0, start at index I and move a base nums of I steps to the left and set results of I to the value of the index where you land. And if nums of I equal to 0, set results to nums of I. Okay, this is the problem. This is an easy simulation problem. So we have, for example, let's take nums 3 minus 2, 1, 1. So 3 minus 2 and 1 and 1. We need to return the result. So we need to return an array which is called result. Okay, so we need to check so the first, if nums of nums of 0 is 3, this is uh, bigger than 0. So start at index I and move nums of I steps to the right. Set results of I to the value of the index where you land. Okay, so we need to move 3 steps to the right. So 1, 2, 3, and we will set results of I, okay, results of 0 to the value of the index where you land. So so a result of okay, we will move by 3 times to the right. Here the value is 1. We need to set result of 0 to 1. So this is the array that we are going to return. So arrays of 0 is going to be 0. Is going to be 1. Is going to be 1. This one minus 2. So we need to move 2 times to the we need to go 2 times to the left. So 3 and so we'll have so 3 then 1, and we set so arrays of 1 to 1, and for this one we need to move 1 time to the right. So here, so we set arrays of 2 to 1, and here the last one we need to move we need to go 1 time to the right. So we have 3 here. It's a circular array, and we set arrays of 3 equal to 3. This is, I guess, the result that we are going to return. So the array will be 1, 1, 1, and 3. That's it. So let's write our solution. This is a simulation problem. Simulation problem. So let's write our solution. So we will iterate our table for I in range of nums. We check if nums of I bigger than 0. So if nums of I is bigger than 0, what the problem is asking us to do? We need to move nums of I steps to the right. Okay, just maybe, so maybe for example from here, from index 2, and we need to move, for example, 2 times to the right. May we exceed the may we exceed the last element, so we need to make modulo operation. That's 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 the only thing that we need to consider. So the index that we will land in is going to be, so index equal to I plus nums of I, and we are going to perform mod operation, mod of nums, of nums. That's it. This is the index that we will land at, and we will set, so result of I is equal, the value is equal to the value at the index where you land, so is equal to nums of index. That's it. So just we need also to initialize our array, so let's call it result, and equal to initially all the elements of results will be equal to 0, and that's it. And now we need to check if nums of I is lower than 0, then we need to move, we need to move now the ABS nums of I steps to the left. Okay, so index is equal to I. We can do either minus absolute value of nums of I, or plus nums of I. It's the same thing. So let's do minus ABS of nums of I, and we'll mod la of nums. That's it. And result of I is equal to nums of index. That's it. And if nums of I equal to 0, set results of I to nums of I. Okay, if nums of I equal to 0, so result of I is equal to nums of I, and finally we will return result. That's it. The time complexity for this problem is linear, and that's all.